Hello, I wanted to make this quick video. I wanted to do a quick interview of this Fosi Audio Amplifier. This is actually like for a subwoofer. This is just a one-channel amplifier, so I just wanted to do a quick unboxing of this. And I know it's already been a box. You know, this box, when I bought this was an open box, so it's already been open. But I just want to give you a quick overview of what this amplifier is about. And actually, this is my first time purchasing this brand, Fosi Audio. You know, I'm used to using T-amp amplifiers like Topping, which is a great amplifier, great brand for digital amplifiers, and this is a Topping one. So I'm basically going to do an overview of this Fosi amplifier and compare it to see how does this stack up to something like this, a Topping amplifier. I'm just going to show you what you get in the box and what comes with it. So here we go. Again, you know, I bought this online and it was open box. It was already open, so I don't know if everything's going to be, you know, in it like the instructions like it originally were, but just going to take a look. So here we go. This is the amplifier and this is the power brick. And take this out. Okay, there's a note. It says not happy. And the other side it says happy. So I guess what this is, you know, if you have any complaints about their products, you can contact them. Yes, their phone number. Again, this is a brand. I believe this brand is in Asia. You know, in Asia, I believe. Yeah. Looking at the phone number. Actually, they list a WhatsApp app phone number, so that's interesting. So yeah, so yes, this is a brand that is in Asia, I believe in China. And from what I have, you know, seen other reviews, it's a pretty good brand. I guess this would be like maybe mid-range quality brand. I just wanted to see, you know, I got this at a great deal, so why not pick it up? And again, this is supposed to be to use with a woofer or a subwoofer. It's a one-channel amplifier, as you can see on the back. There's just one set of terminals, and this is designed for one speaker or to use as a subwoofer. And it has the basic left or right input. So I guess with this, if you are using a subwoofer output, you can use either one, you know, the right or the left. I don't know if using a Y connector would do any benefits from it, but you know, you can use just like a regular subwoofer amp, you use either the right or the left. So right here you have the, as I mentioned earlier, speaker terminals to hook up to the woofer, and you had a DC jack, and you see it's really small. I mean, this is tiny, you know. There we go. And it says subwoofer amplifier, so you know, this is basically like a mid-range, you know, amplifier. Nothing serious, I don't think. And I don't think it would replace a real subwoofer amplifier like the ones that I found in the boxes on the subwoofer, like a plate amplifier. But you know, this is something just to, I guess, to get you started. It's really small. I mean, fits in my hand almost. So, and let's see, comparing it to the Topping, and this is a Topping. As you can see, this is a 2-channel stereo digital amplifier by Topping, and you can see the size difference. It's really, you know. So we know, you know, Topping is a very good quality, good brand. And it's, you know, great sounding amplifier too. But I'm here to talk about this, so I'm just giving you a quick size comparison. But as you can see, it's really small. So let's see what else we have in the box. Of course, we have the power brick. A pretty good size, but the interesting thing about the power brick is that this what basically tells you, you know, how many watts, you know, how much power is going to be delivered to this amplifier right here. And it says this adapter is 24 volts, which that's pretty good. Because I know, you know, these type of amplifiers, these digital or tri-path amplifiers like this, you know, the average rating or voltage for a power adapter for something this size is around anywhere from 13 watts, well, actually from 12, I think 12 volts to 15 volts. So this one actually has a 24 volts, and that's a lot of power. You know, so basically it's designed to drive, you know, the chipset that's inside this amplifier, you know, a high wattage chipset that is designed to drive when it being 24 volts and 4.5 amps. So that's a lot of amps, because most amplifiers this size are only 3 amps, you know, or 3.5 at the most, anywhere from 2.5 to 3 amps for this size. So I believe, you know, it's a pretty good high wattage chipset that's in here. And I actually don't know the rating of this amplifier. I mean, I'm thinking maybe it's like 50 watts. It's definitely not 100 watts, I don't believe. But just from looking at it and looking at the adapter, maybe it's like a 50 watt power chipset in here. And then you have, of course, the plug for the power brick. But yeah, you know, the power brick is really not that heavy. It's not really heavy. It's about average weight for its size. But it's nice to see that at least it's 24 volts and 4.5 amps. That's nice. Not milliamps, but just, yeah, 4.5 amps. And let's see, I think that's about it. So I don't know if this originally came with instructions or a manual, because this was already an open box when I received it, when I purchased it. But, you know, this is all you need. It's, you know, really basic. As I mentioned before, you just connect, see if I get this, just connect, use either one, you know, left or right, to your stereo amplifier that has a pre-out subwoofer output. And you connect this to the woofer, basically, and plug it in, and that's it. So this is how it looks. Like I say, it's really small, really tiny, you know. And the volume knob, you know, moves smooth. Oh yeah, there's one thing I forgot to mention about this that I just noticed. There's no response, no frequency response knob for this, and that is actually used for you know, to blend in the subwoofer with your pair of, you know, bookshelf speakers, and there's nothing on here for that. So all you have is basically a volume knob right here. So, and you have an on and off toggle switch right here, and that's about it, you know. So right there, you know, you won't be able to blend in your speakers correctly with the subwoofer when you use this amplifier, because there's no response knob on it, no frequency response. So that's kind of a downside of it. But besides that, again, this is just a basic amplifier, and I would be doing a full test on this amplifier to see how it sounds. And you know, there's nothing I could compare it to that is like this, because I basically have amplifiers that are designed, you know, for the full size subwoofers with the plates, you know, with the 10-pound amplifier plates. But something this small, you know, that's the only thing I have. So I'm gonna have to compare it, you know, with a full size subwoofer and see how it does. But yeah, this is it. You see, it's very small, pretty light. And again, you know, this is just a basic tri-path amplifier. And, you know, I don't really think it's going to be, you know, this is designed to be used as a subwoofer amplifier, but, you know, it's just really just a simple little amplifier. You know, nothing serious, but we'll see how it sounds. You know, this brand has been known to have, you know, good sounding amplifiers for the price. So we'll go take a look at it and see. So that's about it. I just wanted to show you the unboxing of this amplifier. And again, it's the Fosi Audio, what is it? The TP-02 subwoofer amplifier. As you can see, TP means, I believe, tri-path amplifier, because it uses a tri-path chipset. So this is basically your compact little digital amplifier. So that's about it. Hope you liked the video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up, or add comments, and thank you very much. So next video I will do basically a sound test. Okay, thank you, goodbye.